towards the A9. We've got 10 miles on this little twisty road, so hoping that we don't meet any juggernauts. This is us back on the A9 heading towards Inverness, and I think we are, is it 59 miles to our destination? Yep. But much better roads. As you can see, Moor is on this road, so is Newton Moor, places like that.
Get a cup of tea.
And hopefully along the way we'll get somewhere to stop for breakfast, because we're both starving.
Unlike the midgies.
This is the Ralia Cafe, so pit stop coming up. Hopefully we'll get a nice cup of tea here, scone or a toastie. So we are heading over to this cafe. Straight away I can see it as toilets, which is a good thing. That's an interesting wee building. It's got a wee outdoor veranda. Here's what you can have to eat. I think I'm going to have a tea and toast, and then you follow the stairs and hopefully into the cafe.
So here's our home for tonight. We're at the Culloden Moor caravan site. We've checked in, etc. We're just out for a wee walk. We're trying to find the battlefield, but Carol's put us in a bit of a wild goose chase. We're going up and down the road here. But apparently there's a dog walk at the other side of the campsite, which leads us to the battlefield, is it? So we'll go and get another try. We'll go up, there's the toilet block, the shower block. Here's our van over there. But we'll just follow Dora the Explorer. What's the worst that can happen?
Nightfall.
Where the fuck are you taking us? Are we lost? Go there, look, there's a path there. Keep going, it's alright. Oh, this is, eh? So, Carol, your map reading skills.
We started off 36 minutes away from it, we're now at 25. We're up here. Are we? What end is us? This is
We're a
us.
triangle.
We need to get down to there.
And that's a road, so it's over there somewhere.
Yeah. We need to, if there was a turn off. Did you hear when my phone went bloop bloop bloop? I think we should have turned.
All I can say is thank goodness I'm not in charge of the map, because this would be a major tragedy by now. Viaduct. Viaduct.
I like the way this building just melds into the scenery, like it doesn't jar on you.
Oh. It's about 7 o'clock at night, so we just came out for a wee wander, stretch our legs, and this is the Culloden battlefield. Here's our red flags. There's blue flags in the distance. I doubt if the GoPro will pick them up. So we'll have a wee wander and see. So here's a red flag line here, and the blue flag lines are way over here. Well of the dead, here the chief of the McGilvray fell. Clans, that's it, clans, McGilvray,
McLean, McLachlan,
Athol Highlanders.
Highlanders. Clan Stewart of Appin.
Clan Cameron here. Clan McGilvray.
Clan Macintosh.
Oh, this is Clan Macintosh as well. 2 for mixed clans. Clan Fraser. So here's us, we're on the blue line now. This is where the Jacobites were. You can make out the red flags a wee bit better in the distance. We're beside the visitor centre. There's a hell of a distance between them. We've just had a wee wander around the Culloden battlefield. I don't know how many times we've driven past it over the years, but we've never been in. But it was quite, it was cracking, was it?
It was amazing.
It was a lot bigger than I thought, and the lines, the government lines and the Jacobite line were quite a distance apart, and just a lot of nothing in between. But I'm glad we did. I'm glad we came. The visitor centre shut, obviously. It's back at 7, 8 o'clock at night. By the time Carol found where we were going, got our
It was shut anyway.
Google Maps going.
Oliver, the flattest lawn
It's the nicest lawn I've ever seen.
It's so impressive. Well, that is us leaving Culloden Moor campsite. Quite nice, but a few drawbacks. The drawbacks are the pitches are really slopey and everybody has to crank up their vans to level them using blocks and stabilisers and whatnot. The other thing is that there's no wee shoppy nearby, so before you arrive at Culloden Moor, make sure you have your supplies. unless you're happy to go back and forth, you know, travelling to the wee shop. The other thing is, what did we say the other thing was? Slow internet.
Oh yeah.
Slow internet. There was something else.
The road.
Oh yeah, and this road, although it's a B road, is actually really quite busy, and at night there was a lot of small dick men racing up and down with their funny exhausts thinking they were cool, so that was nice. But otherwise it's standard fare. It's what you would expect from one of these camping and caravan
Caravan and motorhome.
or even caravan and motorhome places. The highlight for us was taking the walk along to the Culloden battlefield, which is really, really worth it. Unfortunately, the visitor centre was closed when we arrived because we did an evening kind of walk, but I would happily have paid to go in there and find out more. But even just walking round for free in the evening, peace and quiet, there was heaps and heaps of information there and things there that you could look at, and the wildlife, nature, birds, rabbits, everything like that. It was just stunning. Anything to add, Mr. Mitchell?
Where are we off to now?
We're now off to Inverness.
What happens?
Recording.
That was, yeah, so you're holding it too much. You're actually making it harder than it needs to be.
It's an awkward thing to work. It's
There's
not.
two buttons, Carol.
It's an awkward size and everything.